The feeling that the collarbone is rolled down is a very common pattern. I've given us a bigger model that I can hold on to better. So I got a rolling pin to represent one of the hot dog segments, and then I've given it a nose because I think that'll help us understand movements a little bit better. So here's my rolling pin with a nose on it. At some point, the body can register that the collarbone is faced forward in a midline position. And we're going to imagine the collarbone in 3 parts like we've just described. So the brain has a sense of the part facing forward, and if their muscles are tight below the collarbone, it'll twist the collarbone downward. So the nose is going to roll down for most people and live there, and for most people it's a correction to create muscle activity that can roll the collarbone back up. So we have downward roll, we have upward roll, and then there are other directions of movement, and I'm going to show you those. Most of the time when people are given instructions on how to change their posture, they're told to pull the shoulders back. Well, with these exercises, I'm not interested that you pull the whole shoulders back, but I'm much more interested is that you find your way to this tubular section of your body right across the front of the torso, right across here, and that you influence movement from in the front, not, oh, I rolled it forward, oh, I rolled it back. No, we want it to be much more subtle. There's a forward roll, there's a roll back. And the movement is being generated by muscles right in this area, not from the whole backside.